Hey, welcome back to our channel Ship and Cruise Life. So today in this video I will share with you an app which is crewing online, and this app is useful for merchant navy crew, and here you will get a job vacancies regarding merchant ships. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe our channel for more updates. Stay tuned and watch till. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to the Play Store and you have to download crewing online. Then just click on sign up. Then enter your email ID, password, then confirm the password, enter your full name and agree the terms and condition, and then next. Then you will see the interface like this. On the top, following, your following recommended, and the news, hobby, salary, okay, photos, and down you will see options like home, job, crew link and profile. Okay, so the first one is home and the second one is job. Just click on the job, and here you will see the jobs like recommended, saved and applied. Okay, and on the top you will see create your CV to get better offer. So here you will see all the jobs like third officer, chemical tanker, chief engineer, second engineer, and you will see the salary also. Okay, $1,450, and steward for the Roro ship, $850 per month. Okay, and the next option is crew link. Here you will see your followers and the following, and you will see the crew members here. Okay, like this you can follow them, and you can do a text message also. On the top you will see following, follower, and you can text from here also. Okay, like this. And the last one is profile. From here you will see your following, followers, and you can edit your profile from here. Now let's go to the job section. Here on the top you will see create your CV to get a better offer. You can create your CV from here. Here you will see the recommended jobs, your saved and applied. Okay, so in the recommended jobs you will see the second engineer, salary in USDT and per month. Like this you will see the jobs from here. Okay, bosun and fitter and welder. For example, I want to apply for the fitter and welder. Just click on fitter and welder, $1,950 per month. Okay, just click and you can apply from here. Just read and apply. You have to enter your first name, last name, gender, nationality, latest rank, vessel type, date of birth, mobile number, and upload your CV. You can upload from here and then submit application. If you want to create a CV, just click on create your CV to get a better offer. Just click on this one. You have to enter your first name, middle name, last name, gender, nationality, latest rank, last vessel type, date of birth, mobile number, email ID, and then upload. Okay, you have to complete this one in 6 steps. All right, and the next, if you want to post something, you can post from here. Say something about your story or post a question, you can post from here. Alright, so like this you can apply for the job. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.